Hi students, teachers and dear parents. How are you? I hope you all are watching my videos and getting benefit from it. You can see some worksheets on my table. These are the worksheets which I have designed for teaching fractions to students. With the help of these worksheets and activity sheets, students learn fractions very easily. So, V Talks Media Communications have started a series of video tutorials for students making learning fractions so easy. Today, in this video, we are going to learn the proper and improper fractions.
Hi friends, today in this video I am going to explain you the proper and improper fractions with the help of this activity sheet. Now let's take a rectangle and some squares. Just keep this sheet here now. This is a rectangle and this rectangle is not divided into any parts. So this is whole and we can represent this as 1. Right? Now let's divide this rectangle into two equal parts. Just we are taking this here in this way. Now you can see exactly. Now in this way the one rectangle is divided into two equal parts and this part is exactly half of this rectangle. So right now how many equal parts are here? Obviously two equal parts are here, and out of these two equal parts this is one part. So out of these two equal parts, these are two equal parts, this is one part. So I am writing here. So this rectangle can be represented like this. Okay, now so this is what we call half. Now let's divide this rectangle into four equal parts with the help of this square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see the one rectangle is now divided into four equal parts. So we will write the four equal parts. So 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, 4 quarter. And the four equal part of the same one rectangle can be represented as, can be said as quarter. And you can see this is 1 quarter, this is 2 quarter, this is 3 quarter, and this is the remaining part is again a 1 quarter. So we can represent this square like this, 1 quarter, isn't it? Now we can also represent the squares in this way: 1 quarter, 2 quarter, and this is the 3 quarter. So in this way we can 3 quarters. Now we can also represent this quarters in this way. These are 2 quarters. These are 2 quarters. Sorry, it should be like this. These are 2 quarters. These are 3 quarters. This is 1 quarter. This is half, and this is 1 whole. This rectangle is not divided into any equal parts. Now here this rectangle is divided into two equal parts, out of which this is one part. Now similarly, what did we do? We divided this rectangle into four equal parts, and each equal part of the rectangle is represented like this, and that is 1 quarter. Now this is 1 quarter, 2 quarter, and 3 quarter. 3 quarter can be represented like this, 3 upon 4. And in here this is 1 quarter and this is another 2 quarters. So it is 2 quarters can be represented like this, 2 upon 4. Now remember the top portion of the fraction is called as numerator, and the bottom part of the fraction is called as denominator. So in all the fractions you can see it's a whole 1, it's 1 upon 2, it's 1 upon 4, it's 3 upon 4, it's 2 upon 4. Now the upper part or the top part is represented or called as numerator, and the lower part or the bottom part is called as denominator. So if you observe the numerator, here is a numerator, here is another numerator, here is another numerator, and here is another numerator. If you observe these fractions, just take an example, 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4, it is 3 by 4, this is 2 by 4. All the numerators are smaller than the denominators. These are the denominators, and denominators are greater than the numerators. You see, numerators are smaller or lesser. So the fractions which have smaller numerators, such fractions are called the proper fractions. So such fractions are called as proper fractions. Thank you very much.